How to create an SRT subtitle from an audio file. Go to Video tab and click on Open Video File. To see all the videos and audio here, change this drop down to All Files and then select your audio. At the bottom of the program, you can see the waveform generated. If it is not generated, just click on this section. Click at the beginning of the waveform and then go to Create tab. Click on Insert New Subtitle and Video Position to insert a subtitle at playhead position. Drag its end to change the length of subtitle, then right-click on it and select Play Selection.
Julia had always loved music.
Now that you've heard the selection, try and type it in the box above. Next, do the same thing for all other lines to create the subtitle. But this is a very long process, and you may need to do this if you had no other choice. Instead of doing this, you can use Transcribe feature in Subtitle Edit. To use the feature, first select all the lines by pressing Ctrl+A, and then press Delete key to delete all of them. Now go to Video tab and select Audio to Text Vosk Kaldi. In the opened window, in the Choose Model section, you can see a list of installed models. I installed 3 models before, but for you, it is probably empty. To install a model, click on this 3 dots button and depending on your needs select the language and model that you need. English medium size is a good model for transcribing English videos. And then click on Download button. But because I already have this model, I just click Cancel. After model is downloaded, in dropdown, select it and make sure to check Use Post-Processing checkbox for better results and click on Generate button. Depending on your audio or video length, it may take some time to transcribe the media. Now you can see that Subtitle Edit did a very good job in transcribing the audio.
Ever since she was a little girl.
But if you want, you can adjust some duration or merge some lines. So you can manually create subtitles, but remember to do that only if you had no other choice. At last, press Ctrl+S to save the subtitle. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.